In today's road construction landscape, job site managers, fleet managers, and planners face many challenges. Be it the complex oversight of multiple job sites and machines, numerous bureaucratic requirements, or far-reaching environmental standards. Luckily, digital transformation is a lever to focus on what matters and to synchronize your resources. Introducing the John Deere Operations Center, a pivotal digital platform designed to streamline the management of construction job sites, machinery, and processes. Gain real-time insights through a user-friendly dashboard, optimize machine utilization, and maximize uptime and ensure efficient project planning, execution, and documentation, while also benefiting from integrated maintenance plans, performance and consumption monitoring, and the ability to have a complete overview of your whole fleet in one place. The John Deere Operations Center is your central hub for current and future digital solutions. Embrace the future of road construction management with the John Deere Operations Center.